So this is Hostinger.com. Now, once you get here, you'll click on Start Now. Now, during the creation of this video, Hostinger actually updated their pricing plan. Now, here you have 4 different plans. You have the Premium, Business, the Unlimited, and the Cloud Startup. You're going to want to select the Unlimited plan. The main reason why is because if we scroll down right here, you're going to need the Node.js integration, and this can integrate your AI website with Hostinger. So once you get here under the Unlimited plan, you'll click on Choose Plan. The next page is the cart page. Now over here we have period. I do recommend to sign up for at least 12 months. This will grant you a free domain name, a free 30-day money back guarantee, and a bigger discount on your hosting using our coupon code. So on the right side, we have the option for a coupon code. If you enter the coupon code Daryl10 and click on apply, you'll get an additional 10% off any of the plans that you choose. So here I'll click on apply. And it went from $70 to about $63. So you saved about $7. Now on the right side, you can enter in your free domain name, or if you don't know what you want to put, you can always enter it later and you'll get the domain for free in your account. So next you'll click on continue. On the next page, you'll register. So you'll put in your email address and you'll make a password, and then you'll click on register. Next, you'll enter in your billing information. So you'll put your first name, your last name, and then you'll click on continue. And then you'll put in your credit card information. And once you put this info in, you'll then click on submit payments. Okay, so once you paid for your hosting, you'll then click on get started. First, it'll ask us if you want to create or migrate a website. I'll just click on create a website and click on next. Next, it'll ask us how we want to deploy our website. And right here, you'll see Node.js. So we'll go ahead and click on this app. Next, it should ask you if you want to use a domain, a subdomain, or you can just use a temporary domain just in case you want to put this on a live website just yet. But if you do want to put your domain, you'll just go ahead and put it here. You'll see that my domain is available, so I'll select my domain. And then I'll click on next. All right, cool. So now we're going to deploy our website using Node.js web app. So right here, you'll see that we can continue with GitHub. We'll click on continue with GitHub. And then you'll select your repository. Now you'll see I have quite a few, but the one that I named this was the Vibrant AI website. So I'll select Vibrant AI websites and then click on continue. So then you're brought to this page. Now on the framework preset, you're going to select Vite. So right here, this is compatible with the framework that we're using. So right here, I'll select Vite. Next, under environmental variables, we'll click on add. And here we're going to copy and paste the AI Studio API key. So let's go back on over here to Google. And for now, let's click on back to start. And then we're going to scroll down to get API key. And then at the top right, I'll click on create API key. Here you'll name your API key. And then for the project, we'll just make a new project. I'll click on create project. And this will be the Gemini project. Here I'll click on create project. Then I'll click on create key. Next, we're going to go over here and click on copy API key. And we're going to go back to Hostinger. Next, we're going to enter in a few variables. So I'm going to click on add more. Okay. And then we're going to enter in these keys, API key, and I'll just go ahead and paste this in. For the second one, Gemini API key, and I'll go ahead and paste the same key. Next is the Google API key. And just to be safe, we're going to name some Vite API keys. And I'll also paste in that same API and one more. And then I'll paste in that same API key. Now, by doing it this way, this avoids authorization issues because depending on how the AI wrote your website, it might request a specific type of API key. So we're going to put all of these just to make sure that we have no API issues. So once you enter in those API keys, you'll then click on finish. After you add those keys, you'll then click on deploy. Now it's deploying our AI website onto our domain and Hostinger's hosting. All right, so the deployment is completed. Here, I'll click on go to dashboard. Okay, and if we go over here and click on our websites, and voila, now we have that beautiful AI website imported on our live domain. And you'll see the website is fully intact. All the animations are here and it looks amazing. Also, if we click on all of these links right here, you're also going to notice that all of the links work. So the website is fully functional. All parts of the actual website work. So as a result, this looks amazing. So that's how you can deploy an AI website onto Hostinger's hosting.